Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. Today I want to talk about something interesting, and it's about the influence of social media on divorce or family law or custody proceedings. You know, theoretically, the court should decide matters of custody based on what's in the best interest of the children, evaluating the people. I mean, you know, it shouldn't be a question of something that gets said about somebody, something that's posted about somebody, particularly because that can be manipulated. However, the court does take into account social media, particularly of the person themselves. You know, you got some people who think the world needs to know when they go to Kroger, and they basically chronicle their whole lives. Well, the problem with that is that, number one, just the fact that somebody feels the need to do that may be of concern to the court when evaluating stability for a child. But let's put that aside and let's say the judge does the same thing. The court is still going to look at your social media if it bespeaks a problem in what may be the stability of the raising of the child. So, for example, if in all your social media pictures, even though you're not saying anything weird or anything, it's just static pictures, but in all of them you're holding, you know, a shot of whiskey, the court could take from that the idea that maybe you drink a lot, and that could be a problem. If you're always someplace holding a drink, that may reflect poorly on you. You've got to watch that. Of course, if you went online bashing your ex because of something that has to do with your kid, the court may view that as an enormous breach of discretion and extremely poor judgment to talk about your kid and raise that issue, only caring about yourself, but not realizing that you're kind of throwing your kid under the bus too. So you really got to watch the social media if there's children involved. Now, let's say there aren't children involved. Let's say it's only property involved. Well, if you're going to make a play before the court that you're broke, then you better not be seen doing high-end expensive activities. Pictures of you on the ski slope with a designer ski outfit. Pictures of you, driving a fancy car or holding this Louis Vuitton bag that you seem to have. Pictures of you, doing things that are high-end, all the while telling the court how you're so broke. You also have to watch other things too. If you, for example, put yourself out there on a dating site as a single person when you're clearly not, you're still in the throes of a divorce, the court may regard that as, a morality factor in that you're lying to the public. That could be a problem. So my point is like this. Social media is a great thing. Social media is a way to communicate with a lot of people. But at the same time, your social media could say some things about you that perhaps in the use of better discretion would not be appropriate. So you got to keep that in mind. I would watch the social media. If you're a person who's on the social media a lot, I would take down anything that could be bad. And if you can't take it down, discontinue that until such time as the court can evaluate your case and let them evaluate you rather than what is posted about you, either by yourself or by someone else. If you have questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.